Hello my friends, I hope you are all having a nice day. Now I have a little review for you today. I'll be reviewing this bathroom towel rack that was sent to me by Sunzos. I'm going to open it and show you what it looks like on the inside, and then I'm going to show you how I assemble this in my bathroom. So let's just get this opened. So this bathroom towel rack is suitable for small bathrooms with limited spaces. These two pieces are the pieces that hang down to the side. This can definitely save space in small bathrooms. This piece is the piece that is screwed on below, and then you hang your towels or your rags or any little thing that's lightweight can be hung there. These are the screws, and this is the top shelf, and this comes with 5 hooks. As you see, 5 hooks, 1 2 3 4 5, and with the shelf on the top it can add space for more items. Also, you can store folded towels here, toiletries, a small plant, or any other bathroom essentials. And I like the fact that this is a heavy metal, high quality steel with rust resistant coating, sturdy and reliable, and very easy to install. So I'm going to install this and show you how it looks in my bathroom. And my master bathroom is very small, so this is perfect. So let me style this and show you how that looks. And here it is, all mounted on the wall. I asked my husband to put it up, and I had to put it in my guest bathroom because the space in my master bathroom was not wide enough. And this is what it looks like after I place some towels on it. And on the top I have this mirror flower box that I place on there with a little candle. And of course you can style yours anyhow you choose fit, but I love this towel rack. I would recommend, there will be a link in my description box below that you can purchase that from Amazon. And I must say thank you to Sunzos for sending me this for review. If I had the tools and the material, I would definitely DIY something like this. But you know, not everything you can DIY, and this is not one of them. But I love this towel rack, and I hope you guys found this video useful. The link is down in the description box below. Make sure to check it out, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.